This is
Hello,
the hi.
welcome to Origins
Thank
podcast.
thank you so much for having me, man. This is the one of the first times in many months that I have worn anything with anything written on it on screen.
Oh, this is me
Uh,
wearing a decent shirt after a while.
I like that you're wearing a cap even in the middle of the quarantine. I like that.
No, it's because I have got a bad winter.
वरना मैं
but
बोला कि ये केवल अपनी लाइफ को कितना सीरियसली ले रहा है.
but I realized after talking to you yesterday that the conversation is gonna go well because when I meet a fellow comedy and a music fan, the conversation is gonna go well. बात कर
Yeah,
सकेंगे.
there's no stress, dude. I think conversation always goes well when you are adequately interested in the other person. So I think we are both reasonably interested in each other as human beings. So it'll be good only.
Yeah. I have to tell you this. Last time, we met for the documentary.
Yeah.
Just to give the context to audience, I'm making a documentary about comics.
Where I
And
try to explain to Keval that he should not do comedy. I think that's what ended up happening.
but I'm still planning to. I wrote some material.
Yeah. I mean, you should. Listen, if it discourages you, then you definitely shouldn't.
Yeah, but okay, this is what happened is I came to Habitat and I met Sapan Verma downstairs. So I was like, oh shit, Sapan Verma. Oh, काफी cool. तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, hi, hello, and I get your text, and I don't know you this point, right? So I get your text, what is ETA? And it was not what is the ETA. It is what is ETA. So I panicked and I asked Sapan Verma, what is the full form of ETA?
Comics will know ETA because flights are usually ETA, ETD होता है.
हाँ, but मेरे को लगा oh shit, और फिर मेरे को realize हुआ अरे no, वो genuinely time मांग रहा था.
हाँ.
Anyways, man, how's it going now for
It's
online comedy?
It's weird. It's a weird time for comedy. It's a weird time for everybody, obviously. Therefore, it is a weird time for comedy.
Yeah, but I was thinking I'm not pessimistic in usual, but just imagine on the side of the nature. अभी थोड़ा टाइम अगर ये ऑनलाइन रहा तो सबके स्पेशल्स होंगे ऑनलाइन. फिर कॉर्पोरेट तो गया हाथ से.
नहीं क्यों?
कॉर्पोरेट शोज अभी ऑनलाइन थोड़ा ना कोई करेगा ऐसा मजाक मतलब ऐसा वैसे भी
कर रहे हैं हम
आधा
सब
ऑडियंस
कर
ऐसे
रहे हैं क्या
इंटरेस्टेड.
कर रहे हैं
क्या बात कर रहे हो? यू डूइंग कॉर्पोरेट शोज ऑनलाइन?
ब्रो सब कर रहे हैं तू क्या कर what obvious how do you think we're all still afloat we would have all drowned by now we are all doing public shows and corporate shows and private shows on Zoom
ओह वाओ, हाउ इज इट?
और
कैसा रिस्पांस
है मतलब I mean there are comics doing 2500 seaters on Zoom यार तू क्या बात कर रहा है dude
वाओ.
yeah
Oh wow.
depend so I mean it's not always on Zoom but it's corporate show same old exactly the same as a corporate show the only advantage is that you don't have to bomb and be there you can just come home
Exactly.
you're already home you just switch off your phone and it's okay
And also hecklers में अभी कुछ होएगा तो सीधा निकाल दो.
In some sense yeah absolutely but फिर then you sometimes wonder कितने लोग को निकालोगे you know और
हुआ अभी ऑनलाइन हुआ कुछ हेकलिंग?
heckling होता रहता है yeah I mean it's just more of people doing weird shit on public shows where people will trim their nose hair while watching the show. There was a guy who was trimming his facial hair throughout the show. Beard, mustache, nose hair, eyebrows. पूरा उसने edit मारा अपने चेहरे को. It was so then it's like who is watching you do comedy anymore? Now everybody's watching the guy in that screen. And if as a comic you miss that, if you miss it,
it's like your comedy is not comedy anymore. It's podcast, and the viewing is him.
कुछ भी हो सकता है इसमें. So it's like it's an interesting place to be in, and it's an interesting. A lot of people are looking at like how will we do things in the future. I really have not been thinking of that at all. I don't want to think of that because यही तो हजम नहीं हो रहा है बेंच में और कितना करूँ हजम लाइफ में like ये अभी प्रेजेंट तुमसे हो रहा है हैंडल मेरा चेहरा देखो मेरा दाढ़ी किधर गया बेंचो like the fuck is going on dude it's really messed up the world is weird right now
Oh, but does this replace stage? Like वो stage वाला feel तो नहीं आता होगा, I'm guessing.
बिल्कुल नहीं आता.
नहीं ना, हाँ.
You can't feel. I think
Yeah, you were saying
it's
something.
like sensory deprivation stand up, where you were used to getting so much sensory input from the room. You know, and not just in terms of, see, what you're seeing and what you're hearing is greatly enhanced in an audience when you're live, right? Like
Right, 100%.
you're seeing everyone at once. You're seeing who is in a group, who is not in a group. You know, यहाँ पे I don't think there are a lot of people who are coming in groups anymore. That has almost stopped being a thing. You know, so your interactions are changing. You can't hear as much. There is so much more to be heard in a room than just the laughter, right? Like it's the gasp, it's the break, it's this one's rhythm. It's, are they all laughing together? If they're not laughing together, that means my joke is somewhere. You know, there's so much like, so wo kam ho gaya. It feels like going from a broadband connection to a fucking dial-up connection, because you're just not getting as much information as you're used to, and then you're operating on this delay. The lag is something you'll get used to. If you're a comedian, then you are used to adjusting your comedy, so wo tension nahi. But the lag between different softwares, like the other day I was doing I had a corporate show, so we had 2 sessions in the same day, so of the same company. So it was 2 sessions on this one particular software, and then in the evening I had another corporate show which was operating on another web interface software thing. So वो दोनों के lag के बीच में मेरा दिन बिगड़ गया. I could feel myself lose faith in myself, like midway through the second show. Be like, अभी तो नहीं होएगा तेरे से, ये तू कैसे करेगा solve? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कब laugh है.
Like you live with your parents, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो ऊपर से कभी-कभी भी आता रहेगा. ये लो आकाश, खाना बन गया, ये whatsoever it is. Like
नहीं, वो सीन तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं. मेरे घर पे it's all like we are a very how should I put it? Like we're a very corporate like we get it. We all understand each other's requirement for space very well. पहले 1-2 हफ्ते शायद पूरे family ने try किया कि हम hang out करें, but then we realized कि let's just all, you know, like we only voluntarily spend time with each other. Nobody forces anyone to spend time with anyone.
Great. अभी recently मेरा घर पे पंगा हुआ, because यहाँ पे अंदर family bedroom में बात कर रहा है extended family से पूरा, and these guys, और उस टाइम पे मैंने like इससे भी खराब बाल था, like ये थोड़ा सा है,
हाँ,
and it was like zero cut that time. तो उस time of course I'm not showing my face to anyone, और लोग बोल रहे केवल को बुलाओ ना, क्या कर रहे हैं, my family won't lie, बोलते कि वो खाना खा रहा है. और out of nowhere मैं बाहर हॉल में खाना खा रहा हूँ, these guys don't even ask me, सीधा लैपटॉप लेके आ गए, ये देखो बात करो.
Yeah, that's fair. वो तो होना ही है, वो in the moment हो जाएगा, उसका तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Like my nephew is living with my bhabhi, obviously, because he's like 6 months old. He lives with his mom. Very, कुछ मतलब मेहनत करने का है ही नहीं ना लाइफ में, माँ बाप ही सब ध्यान रखेंगे. मैं तो बोला उसको जॉब क्या है जॉब तेरा, तो बोलता है मैं पार्टी करता है. बोला ठीक है. But so I'm sorry, I was goofing. But they live there, and if they ever call on video call and he's in a good mood, so immediately like they will barge into my room. But I tell them like that's the I think the best way out is communication. I tell them abhi next take the ghanta mat aana, I'm recording something or I'm streaming live. I think they get annoyed because if they come in, so I flip the camera. I'm like, देखो मेरी माँ आ गई है. And then my mom has to be like, hey.
Wow, I want to do the same now.
अरे ऐसे ही करने का. I mean, I feel like it's not. हाँ, मतलब मेरे लिए तो सब सेम ही है. It's not like मैं कुछ construct कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में. तो वो माँ बाप वही है, माँ बाप जिसकी बात कर रहा था.
नहीं, but अभी construct की जगह तो dark तो आ रहा है.
Dark is fun, yeah, but dark में क्या construction है? I do the show and my twin brother does the show, so there's no construction. What?
Because अच्छा, okay, so अच्छा, you are keeping it like that, then I'll not ask the other question.
No, please go ahead. I don't know what you're talking about.
Actually, so
why does it help to have my twin brother do the show? I can tell you.
Okay.
Because I feel like that way you have to understand it's beneficial, because uh, doing it alone would mean that the same guy who says bagal chaat lenge is now saying bacche kharidna hai, which is not easy. You can't have that. That can't happen. You know what I mean? Like I have a very specific absurdity to what I do. Um,
Right.
and
But it's really
Prakash
not your
doesn't.
twin brother, bro. It's you alter ego, hai na?
I mean, see now why you feel that way, I don't know.
Acha.
I personally have never felt the pressure to prove it. Otherwise, both of us would come on camera together.
I
But
understand.
we don't like each other. So even in this quarantine, he's not living with us. He's living somewhere else. Um,
Nice.
so yeah. So the idea is ki when it's Prakash is what he looks like me, sounds like me, but uh, uh, for Dark it makes sense to have Prakash as a separate person, because Prakash in life can say a lot of things that none of us can say,
Hmm. I
and
want
he
to see
can,
Dark now.
yeah, and he can say it from his life's point of view, which is that ki, like, I mean, his wife has left him, and all that, so like and his kid is also not with him anymore, so like he's there,
Oh
like he's
shit.
genuinely somebody who's at the bottom, hit rock bottom. वो ऑफिस में जाके उसने बॉस पे विस्की का बॉटल फेंक दिया तो उसको फायर कर दिया है.
Hmm.
Like he's really lost everything now. Like he's destroyed. Like he tried very hard to keep it together, and for again and again and again he was ideal guy, and then like all this has happened, so he's just embraced the andher, and now his yeah, so that is a very establishing him is a lot of fun, because once you establish him to an audience, and then when he comes and does his jokes, then there's no need to be shy. प्रकाश सीधा मुंह पे बोलता है भैंचो तुम लोग डार्क सुनना है. अब प्रकाश तो गाली देता है ऑडियंस को सीधा कि तुम लोग आया है डार्क
सही
सुनने
है.
और तुम लोग का गांड फट रहा है ये वो. It's a lot of fun. Plus
So
his
this
his
guy,
humor is also different in that sense. Like
but this
he's
guy,
very dark.
right?
हाँ, but this guy.
हाँ, so this guy आके अपनी बड़ास निकालता है सेट पे, स्टेज पे कि ये
No, I
जोक
mean,
सुना के जाता है.
so I mean, it depends on his mood, dude. एक तो बेंच वो एकदम अल्कोहलिक आदमी है, dude. तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. अभी
I
हम लोग
love
ने
how.
अबाउट द हैबिटेट में शो किया था, तो गांडू ने
हाँ.
मेरा फोन फेंक के तोड़ दिया स्टेज पे.
Okay.
Yeah, he just fucking threw it across the stage, and audience भी तो वो भी बोल रहा है माँ आकाश का फोन है क्या फर्क पड़ता है. और तोड़ दिया उसने, dude. He literally, I wish I had that. I just switched phones after that, but like he broke the phone. He threw it. He's unpredictable as a guy. You can't.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love to
But
meet
मेरे लिए
Prakash.
अच्छा है, because मैं open करके मैं fuck off हो जाता हूँ,
हाँ, सही है.
और फिर वो show खत्म करता
Okay, I wanted to ask about this. Your site, कुछ भी मैं था.
है. Yeah, that is happening.
Yeah, but I wanted to ask the end goal. Like ये kind of क्या लुई सी के टाइप है क्या? Netflix पे बेचना नहीं है स्पेशल, अपना स्पेशल खुद निकालना है वैसा?
नहीं, Netflix पे बेचेगा ना, क्यों नहीं बेचेगा. A. B. I don't think it's that at all. I realized that all the comedians who I admire in terms of not just their comedy, but in terms of specifically their sense of entrepreneurship, and how they've kind of gone from single unit comedian to enterprise and to an industry, so to speak.
Hmm.
Like I don't know if you've seen the Kevin Hart ka documentary
Yeah,
on
yeah.
Netflix, and that guy owns that laugh LOL network,
Null network, yeah.
and they're getting millions of 100 million plays and all, and this and that. Like it's
He's
the
cracking
the
up.
yeah, the gradual progression of an artist eventually, in my mind, is if your creative vision pulls you that way, is to own and actively control the means of distribution.
Right. But at the same time,
uh,
I'll argue Chris
हाँ,
Rock, वो अभी switch कर रहा है, not just stand up to acting. Like he's pursuing
हाँ,
more
मतलब
drama. Even
I think all
this
of
guy, Adam Sandler, did it.
movies में ना, movie में the minute you get into movies, I think the numbers are way bigger. Like the numbers are insane. So it's not like a person can be like, hey, मैं खुद का picture बना लेगा. But, obviously you can, and people do. But I mean, I'm talking like fucking Punch Drunk Love. or yeah, you know what I mean. Or the last Netflix movie that Adam Sandler was on is not something that Adam would have made by himself if he had the time.
Right.
You know what I mean? It requires a lot more than just for you to have the will and the time. It requires
Yeah,
a
of course.
huge amount of money, huge amount of development, huge amount of pre-prod. So that is a different level of vision altogether. I'm saying in terms of लुई सीके को देख लो, इसको देख लो, केविन हार्ट को देख लो. Both of these guys at some point decided कि distribution मेरे हाथ में रहेगा तो better रहेगा.
Hmm. Right.
And I realized this first in terms of production, कि production मेरे हाथ में रहेगा तो better रहेगा, because at least for what I regularly have to put out, which, as you know, I put out a lot of stand-up videos. So for me, that was the first thing, you know, where I made that whole live property Akash Mehta and Friends so that we could record for multiple comedians for a very cheap rate.
Right.
So I kind of, first thing was to figure out and have a hold in the means of production, which I have now. We have our own video editing team at Lasun Live, and we do both internal projects and external projects. So उतना हम लोग का proficiency है उसमें काम में. So that good a team is now. So then what happens is कि एक बार production आ गया, अभी ये आ गया. Now I wanted a place where I could put up stuff that would not be able to be, like, which can't go up without people paying for it, because it's now a step up of creative vision. It's not a stand-up video. It's a thing like Akash Mehta and Friends ka podcast hai, for example. Like, we have a patronage program on the website, so you can pay, and we thank you in the podcast and all of that. And basically the idea is you help us keep the podcast going.
Right.
Because the podcast otherwise can't fund itself. It's not something that has an audience that is very massy. So because it's niche, the website is a place where I can deliver the podcast in a certain way to the people who want to pay for it, which is faster and with fewer cuts. And B, I get to, there's a direct transaction. YouTube will also take 30% of your super chat, and YouTube will also take 50-60. Yeah, and 50-60% of your ad revenue also they'll take. So I wanted to kind of break out of that cycle. It's not that I would not put a Netflix special. Obviously, you put a Netflix special because you're getting paid not in terms of just the monetary benefit, but all the other things that come with it. I feel like a Netflix special
the
is like
reach
a
is the
graduation.
big
Yeah,
thing.
it's like graduating, right? Like you get the reach, you get all the experts that work with Netflix who are awesome people, who know what they're doing. You get the freedom to choose whoever you want out of a pool, because I would assume budget is not as much of a issue, especially if you're willing to forego on your own payment to make it look however exactly you want to look. तो मतलब that's how I see it. पर website तो बनता है because, और है काफी सही है, मतलब we're at around 500 subscribers, so it feels nice to make people happy.
Yesterday I checked 800.
What, on the website?
Yeah.
That must be the people following for updates, because if you follow on the website, you get updates for all of the Zoom shows and everything we're doing. So it has a couple of packages. Like right now we're doing this, then we're doing something a little more comedy technical oriented, which is like a monthly, we do like, I hate the word masterclass. So it's not a masterclass, but it's like a more technical conversation towards comedy, where we, I mean, people can sign up for it and people can subscribe to the service.
Journey of a joke types.
More than journey of a joke, but like, let's break down this sketch today. Let's talk set up to punchline. Let's talk about all the the most anal, boring comedy things that I like to talk about, which I know that there's only a handful of people that want to listen to.
Yeah, काफी nerds
now, हाँ, तो मतलब वो चीज को monetize भी कर सकता हूँ, so that I can actually afford to do it, because otherwise doing it for free would mean I would just go broke. I would just not have time to do other things. I have to create revenue streams. That's why I like it. यार मैं टिकट बेचता हूँ, मेरे को 50% से भी कम मिलता है उसमें से. अगर 500 रुपए का टिकट बेचा तो मैं 200 रुपया भी नहीं कमाता उस पे.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I can show you the math. It's quite fun to do this math for me. Because whenever I go to a party and somebody says, "Oh ho, comedian ho, क्या कमाते रहोगे आप तो," I can be like, bench में बैठ इधर खत्म.
Exactly. मेरे पास एक question आया है कि comedians इंडिया में पैसा है कि नहीं?
मैं बोलूँ है, बहुत है, but not in the ways where you like. ऐसा कोई audience बेच के बहुत कम comedian पैसा बना सकता है. देखो, अगर मैं शो करूँ ना, तो अगर मैं एवरेज स्पेशल करूँ 499 का मारते हैं, ठीक है, टिकट. ओके 499 का टिकट मारा माइनस चलो इनटू अबाउट 100 टिकट्स वी सोल्ड, ठीक है, तो माइनस उसमें से पहले तुम्हारा 10% तो बुक माई शो लेके जाएगा, ठीक है, टिकटिंग पार्टनर, ओके,
Oh wow.
तो हाँ तो हो गया 50,000 की जगह पे 44,000 आ गया, ठीक है, 6,000
फिर
का
इनसाइडर भी.
प्रॉपर्टी, इंसाइडर पे मैं नहीं लिस्ट करता हूँ, ओके,
Okay.
फिर इसमें से then whichever producer you have, I usually do post cost profit deals, right? So you do minus all of the costs. So you would assume, chalo, let's say the show is in Bangalore. So you would look at least $3,000 for your stay, because you would take a not shitty place and you would take a place which is close to the venue, which means it would be somewhere like in Kormangla, which means automatically it would become expensive. So at least I would say मैं discount पे मैं जो लेता हूँ जगह वो मेरे को 3,000 पड़ता है, और खाना पीना खर्चा सब मिला के मैं चलो पकड़ता हूँ 4,000 रुपए, ठीक है, with Bangalore. So now you have 40,000. With Bangalore, you have to do flights and you have to do cab from, or I mean, अगर bus लेना है तो, but usually flight timings ऐसा हो जाता है कि if you take a bus, you might not reach the show on time. So you always want to take a cab and get to the hotel, freshen up. And plus, you can't get exhausted in transit because you actually have to fucking work once you get to the place. You are just getting to work right now, right? So उसका तुम्हारा हो गया 1,000 रुपया कैब का, और तुम्हारा एटलीस्ट समझो अगर एडवांस में भी बुक किया तो 5,000 रुपया रिटर्न फ्लाइट, 5,500 पकड़ लो, तो 6,500 हो गया ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, प्लस तुम्हारा ऑटो पे जो भी जाएगा, चलो 250-300 रुपया पकड़ लो, उधर 500 रुपया पकड़ लो मैक्स सब मिला के, ओके, 33,910 rupees left after costs, okay, minus प्रमोशनल कॉस्ट, मतलब तेरा एटलीस्ट 1,500 रुपया मार्केटिंग में गया रहेगा 100 टिकट बेचना है तो तो हो गया 32,410, ओके, अभी इसमें से वेन्यू का अगर ऑडिटोरियम बुक किया है 100 लोग का, which would ideally not be the case, which would most likely it would be a bar venue, but say if it's an auditorium, then you would probably add some 5 grand for audi rent. So say if it's an auditorium, then we'll do 27 grand, 27 and a half left in your hand now, okay, but if you say no auditorium, then chalo venue wala at least 10% लेगा टिकट का, so minus 10% कर दो इसमें से, तो हो गया 3,500 टाइप्स कुछ निकलता है, तो 29,000 आया हाथ में, इसमें से तुम्हारा based on how famous you are and how much bargaining power you have, the producer will take anywhere from 50 to 30%.
Oh man, that's a big chunk.
Okay, so that's 14,500 bucks I make. Okay,
for a show.
For a show, minus, okay, 18% GST. I have to pay the government.
Oh man,
7,959 rupees.
wow.
By selling 50,000 ka tickets. So yeah, like we were talking about, essentially you're not going to make money from public shows unless you can sell more than X number of tickets. So for most of us, the only way to go about this is to look for corporate shows and college shows and brand integrations and this and that, and and then उसमें भी लोग गाली देगा कि ओहो कॉमेडियन क्यों सनस्क्रीन बेच रहा है, बट बेचेगा ना बिकॉज घर चलाना है.
हाँ, सेल आउट वाले कमेंट्स आते हैं क्या अभी भी?
YouTube पे बहुत ही मीन कमेंट्स आते हैं. यूजुअली YouTube के कमेंट्स काफी हर्टफुल लगते हैं कभी कभी, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट स्ट्रेट अप स्टफ लाइक शर्म नहीं आती तुझे इतने व्यूज लेके भी पैसे की भीख मांगते हुए and stuff like that. So it's like a little annoying. It's people threatening to straight up torrent everything on the website.
I mean, but there is a chance, like this is what I was discussing with Satyanju sir. I said कि मूवी अभी तो इंडिपेंडेंट गेम तो completely zero चला जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर big greats have entered into online cinema.
Yeah.
like अभी मेरे ऐसे फिल्म मेकर्स का होप एक ही था कि अभी Amazon Prime अगर और Netflix अभी recently आया है, so maybe there is a chance that our film can be seen too.
Yeah man, I तो never understand how filmmakers don't kill themselves, because you guys are like, yeah, तुम लोग का कितना गांड फटा रहता है dude. Like it's like you have to put so much together to execute your vision.
Like,
I just have to find stage and talk shit and it's done.
Yeah, this is why I like comedy, na? Like Alone. Francis Coppola said this. He said, best thing about filmmaking is it's a collaborative effort. And the worst thing about filmmaking is it's a collaborative effort.
Yeah, absolutely. Could not agree more. I'm going to shift back to my intellectual frame.
Yeah, but it's like, what you have to do is just go on and talk and do whatever. Just entire goal is to make people laugh.
Yeah, there's a lot of, I mean, it sounds like a very restrained, it sounds like a big restriction on the things you can do when you can only make them laugh. But it's also like, when you know what you have to do, then it becomes much easier. So then you have a lot of freedom of how to make them laugh.
Yeah, of course. Like after some time you grow and you know how to pick up.
मस्त लगता है.
मजा आता है ना. I wanted to ask this कि how does comedy start for some person like me? I don't know nothing. Like I know everything about comedy outside world से, but inside किया नहीं है. 2 बार 3 बार perform किया है life में. एक बार केनी का सेट छापा था. फिर एक बार खुद का किया था, उसमें बॉम्ब किया था, तो तीसरी बार वापस केनी का छापा.
Very nice. So all you need to do is firstly stop taking other people's jokes. That would be a good start. The second step would be to just like, that's the problem. You stopped after the third time. That's I'll like that. My theory is always this, like, people who are people who should be doing comedy tend to be doing comedy. Because they, especially अगर तूने चखा है, तूने तो चख लिया, वो तो तेरे को पता है. शायद तेरे जोक्स तो अभी तक बड़ा लाफ नहीं आया, इसलिए तेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है. But the day you get that big laugh, no, you'll know exactly what needs to be done. There's nothing I need to explain. You just have to keep doing it.
Yeah, but how do I do it? Like, this is what the problem
is. Go to open mics.
How to contact open mics? When everyone says ki do open mics. And I've heard comics say ki there's a sign up sheet and everything. But
in Bangalore, yeah.
उधर सुना है, like west में सुना है.
इधर भी वही है. इधर हर एक प्रोड्यूसर का ग्रुप रहता है. You have to contact producers and you have to be like, hey, I've never done it, I want to do it. And they'll be okay, come do 4 minutes on one of these days.
अच्छा, okay. And so it's not on the spot. Like अगर मेरे को Wednesday को मन हुआ कि आज चलो करते हैं, तो मैं आज Wednesday को नहीं मिल सकता मेरे को.
नहीं, जगह नहीं है. Like उतना कम sincerity का जगह नहीं है अभी सीन में.
इतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ है सीन अब तक.
हाँ, because अभी it's I mean obviously there's a supply demand mismatch. There's not enough spots. And this is saying I started when there was one open mic a month and there were not enough spots, and now there are a good 50-60 shows, 100 shows happening in Bombay at least every month, and also, there are not enough spots.
But sometimes just I feel bad ki American comedy is just so much ahead. Like they have SNL, they have Mark Twain,
but by virtue of like Mark Twain fucking I mean, okay, you have to just watch like one Mark Twain award to realize the fact, like they have to keep acknowledging he used to use the N-word even today. इतना N-word बोल दिया वो आदमी, तो मतलब I don't know उसमें कितना victory और कितना defeat, but but I feel like virtue of time, I don't know, देश पुराना है, वो लोग पुराने हैं. Like I mean अगर कनाडा अमेरिका भी ऐसे 500 साल सब्जुगेशन में रहा होता बीच में, तो शायद उन लोग के वहां पे भी ऐसे उन लोग के वहां पे भी राखी का स्वयंवर हो रहा होता. तो हो रहा है, बैचलरेट हो रहा है, तो I don't see the point of stressing about any of that. This scene is fucking 10 years old.
It's growing. Ours is growing. Also English is just growing. Hindi वाला तो पहले से चमक तो रहा ही था.
हाँ, and no, I think it's not even about language as much as about sensibility. It's a sensibility thing. What we even in Hindi, like guys like Devesh or and there's so many Hindi comics and people from the Hindi belt also generally. Say for example, what Bassi does. Bassi is doing how should I put it? Like he's not doing what Raju is doing. He's not doing what Raju is doing. He's not doing what Ehsan Qureshi was doing or Sunil was doing. He's doing what we do.
Right,
it's not the same. It's the new gen. It's an urban Hindi stand-up.
It's an old school and new school game वाला.
हाँ, मेरे को तो लगता है it is personally, because वो I think there was a lot of like value set was very different back then and now, and position of the comedian in society was different.
Back then it was an act.
It's still an act.
No, it was like kind of Steve Martin type. he doesn't do stand up more, he does a prepared act.
I think I would disagree with you on this. I would
Oh,
think
really?
that everybody's doing an act. Even we are doing an act. It's just that some people have to try less because who they are on stage is closer to who they are off stage.
Right. Maybe. But what made
It's always an act. You think we talk like this every day, like in terms of setups and punchlines in life?
No, of course
I mean,
not.
I do, but other
Right.
people tend to not. It's not. It's an act. It's put on. You're not. A comedian is never who he is on stage or she is on stage in real life.
No, I completely understand that. But अभी कैसे बोलूं मैं आपको? Like Steve Martin does magic and balloon के साथ मस्ती and whatever it is. वो वाला क्या? You can
अभी
do it.
हम लोग अभी तक पहुंचे नहीं वहां, पर हम लोग वहां पहुंच जाएंगे सून.
जल्दी ना?
बहुत या पहुंचना ही चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से तो.
हाँ.
कॉमेडी का वही तो बेस्ट है ना. You just have to make them laugh.
Yeah, do whatever. Prop.
Yeah.
कितना एक मैंने act देखा था. I forgot the guy's name. What was such funny? Scene क्या था? He put a door on the stage. Okay, Will Ferrell was discussing this. Put a door on the stage, and he just to go on the door, और दूसरी साइड से आता था, और completely नया persona.
Yeah,
rectified lines and अपना बस कर रहा है और फटे बहुत ज़्यादा funny.
Yeah, see, I mean, like some device tools are right. Like, comedy is basically like just bastardized theater in some sense, right? Like, it's just like,
exactly.
The actor became self-aware in some level.
Yeah,
it's like,
and it's going back to like the legends, like Steve Martin, Martin Sheen are doing Broadway.
Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't you? I mean, that's my point. Like, comedians are the best for everything. You know what I mean? Like, where we can do anything. कोई ना कोई कॉमिक तो है ही जो ग्रैमी जीता है. कोई ना कोई कॉमिक तो है ही जो ये किया है, जो वो किया है, जो तो करेंगे. Because especially in India, because we are probably looking at the first real generation of comics in the first 10 years. And that means that the first 10 years, so it's all people who are doing other things. A lot of us are people who are doing other things. I'm personally somebody who started doing stand-up at 18 only. So for me, there is no other, my whole adulthood has been this. With Amit sir, for example, Amit Tandon he had a life, he has a job, and like Atul sir, he has kids, and I know I never call Atul sir, but whatever. It's वो लोग का life था पूरा. वो लोग and they bring all of those experiences and all of those general life knowledge things to stand up.
But you started at 18.
Yeah.
So what made you want to do this? Like कोई show कोई क्या Seinfeld inspire किया था?
नहीं, I had watched a lot of stand up, and then a very pretty girl told me in a college fest कि तू कर, because उसको चाहिए था. बोला हाँ, तो मैंने किया, और once I did it, it was like there was no going back. Nothing like it.
It's fun, no? What you saw this Seinfeld new special?
Why do you want to do stand up?
I see the reason I got into comedy is through friends and big like shows. Therefore, I want to do filmmaking more than stand up. But I love stand up. Like I have a lot of things I want to say. और काफी मेरे को लगता है funny है, मजा आएगा बात करने में. And it's like कैसे बोलूं मैं? The first material which I wrote, and even before I saw Bo Burnham. This was before I saw Bo Burnham, so not getting inspired by it. But मैंने ऐसा poem kind of लिखा जो extremely like dark, violent और funny है. Like मैंने बोला like poem में लिखा है कि I know a pedophile. And उस पे पूरा ऐसा set बना है. And then I saw Bo Burnham doing this. Oh shit, मतलब है होता है ऐसा. So I'm not completely incorrect. And then फिर मैंने और लिखा थोड़ा बहुत, फिर वो scratch किया. अभी recently थोड़ा सा मुझे लिखा है जो I'm confident enough to put this on stage up. एक बार try करने में. अब अभी तो यार मेरे को फट रही ना. I messaged you कि I want to do open mic.
Do a Zoom open mic.
It happens.
Of course होता है.
Oh great. So after this, let me know. Genuinely, I'm up and ready to do.
तू है ना, मैं एक आइडिया, तू एक साल है ना, तू यूएस के कॉमिक्स को फॉलो ही करना बंद कर दे. एक साल सिर्फ इंडिया के कॉमिक्स को फॉलो कर, तुझे ये सब सवाल के जवाब अपने आप मिल जाएंगे. तेरे को पॉडकास्ट करने का जरूरत ही नहीं.
Done. अभी thought like, but like again, कुछ भी. This is the thing. Like अभी whenever I'm sad or depressed, just this going on, Dave Chappelle चालू करता हूँ मैं और रिकी जर्वेस just to get a good laugh. और उस वजह से मेरे को लगा कि oh shit, I want to do something like this too.
I mean, it makes sense to try it. I think it's a good way to sharpen your skill set.
No, definitely.
I learn more about stand-up nowadays by virtue of just learning about other things. You know what I mean? Like when you learn about neuroscience, you learn more about stand-up, and when you learn about sociology, you learn more about stand-up.
Yeah, but
all of it,
everything you can use it in it, right?
that's the
कुछ
thing.
भी.
Everything is useful. There's nothing that's not useful for stand-up.
Like I was very surprised by this is, and not surprised,
And everywhere.
but even like as a writer, I write sometimes. So भी कुछ भी हुआ ना मेरे life में, मैं उसका अच्छे से एक scene बना के लिख सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
And
it's
I
like a way to process your life also, right?
Right. It's just like निकालो बाहर. Therapy का जरूरत कम पड़ता है. और I was talking to Vaibhav Setia about this in the documentary. He also said कि he bombed once and twice, and then he made a joke about that bombing in the same set.
Yeah.
And it went very well.
That's the beauty of it. It's there is no level to which you can like this. You can just keep getting more and more self-referential. If you come for one of my shows, people will scream things that they've heard on YouTube.
Yeah. Napa Valley.
Napa Valley, by the way. They will scream Napa Valley at me, or just before that also, they would just scream catchphrases. I will write callbacks to videos into my live sets as well.
Okay.
So that they lose their minds because they know the joke already. So when you put the punchline in this show also, and it's also from a video, then they lose their mind.
Yeah. So
because you're creating a universe, right? Like you're creating context. That's my creative vision, is to create a universe of stuff. Like I don't want to just stop at specials. I want to create everything. I want to make I want to make a world you can dip into. You know what I mean? Like you can step into my mind through it. You can see all the things that I think of, like all the music, all the films, all like I want a fucking theme park. You know what I mean? Like I want to make Napa Valley. You know, and you can go there and you can live genuine experiences. Like that's where I see it go. So
very good, huh? Achha.
Yeah.
But now you say this, and I have also seen many Indian comics too talk about this. Ki when you are too like, of course you are comic, तो फिर people think they know you. Like movie star के साथ से कम होता है क्योंकि they don't know you. अभी इंटरव्यूज और सोशल के थ्रू थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ है, बट कॉमिक्स का तो यही है ना कि जानता हूँ मैं इसके जोक्स जानता हूँ ये वो. सो पीपल गेट टू फेमिलियराइज्ड विद यू. लाइक कभी भी कोई मिलता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि भाई है तू मेरा.
हाँ, बट आई गेट इट. लाइक मैं भी काफी ऑनेस्ट रहा हूँ हमेशा स्टेज पे, तो इट मेक्स सेंस फॉर पीपल टू फील दैट वे.
बट डज दैट गेट इनटू अ वायलेंट फैन एनकाउंटर समटाइम?
No. It's never been a violent. There has never been a violent fan encounter. There's been one creepy fan encounter or two. There's been a lot of butt grabbing.
What
has happened to me? Yeah. Selfie लेते टाइम तो यार लौंडा लौंडी किसी को शर्म नहीं है देश में. सब लोग सीधा गांड पे हाथ रख देते हैं. और ऐसे भी नहीं कि I don't know how many of them are actively trying to touch your butt, but like they just don't realize कि bodily कुछ ऐसा. You know, फोटो लेने के लिए हाँ बोला था, टच करने के लिए हाँ नहीं बोला था. दो अलग चीजें हैं, ये लोग को नहीं समझ में आता है. But it's never like been aggressive or anything. It's always sweet people, and I'm very honest about my life on stage. So I think like when I talk about my mom and dad, I'm talking about characters. I'm not talking about my mom and my dad. You know?
Of course.
But when I'm talking about myself, I'm genuinely just talking about myself. So I think it's cool that they relate. Like it feels nice that they relate, and sometimes they come and tell you stories which really move you, and it really makes you realize how lucky you are that you get to be a part of somebody's life. I don't know.
Life, exactly. Like you are creating a memory.
Yeah, like once this guy randomly messaged me on Instagram and said, you know, me and my family listen to your videos when we go on drives. When they're driving on vacation, पूरा फैमिली माँ बाप बच्चे बैठ के सब लोग मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं गाड़ी के स्पीकर पे.
But it does feel strange and it feels good, na?
Yeah, it's a feeling you can't get over ever. Like you're a part of somebody's life. You're a thing in their life. Like they listen to your thing. Like it's you know what I mean?
I
They
understand.
talk
Yeah,
about you like we talk about Star Wars. Like it's like, what the fuck? How am
exactly.
I pop culture?
Like first fan, I didn't even know my fans back then because जब भी था जब बारहवीं था तभी Instagram इतना popular नहीं था. मैं थोड़ा
Yeah.
सा बाद में आया. But once you were shooting at a school and school shoota and no one left. Like
Yeah.
everyone came to our set. वैनिटी के बाहर भीड़ खड़ा है just to click a photo with us और मेरे को लगा कि मेरे साथ फोटो क्यों खींच रहा है.
Insane, no?
It's
Oh
great
man.
feeling. I have
Uh,
picture of that time first fan like ऐसा सब लोग ऐसा पढ़े और ऑटोग्राफ मांग रहे हैं मेरा और मेरे को रियलाइज हो कि इसके 2 साल पहले मैं तारक मेहता के सेट पे गया था सबको ऑटोग्राफ मांगने कि भाई दो ना बाबा दो ना.
yeah.
And just now tables have
Great
done. It's
feeling.
a great feeling.
I feel like there's a lot of I have a lot of anxiety. So fan interactions tend to be difficult no matter how much I want to do them. So वो एक angle से it becomes difficult sometimes. But for the most part, it's like a good humbling experience every now and then to genuinely have an interaction. Like most people want to just take a photograph and then I'm like, so tell me about your life, and then they get very confused. But I'm like, no, but I think that's worth way more. Like I
Yeah,
get
of
you want
course.
a photo, but I want a conversation.
Right. But now it's funny you mentioning anxiety. Like anxiety और फिर ऊपर सेट पे परफॉर्म करना थोड़ा सा ये है.
बहुत अलग है.
हाँ.
नहीं, so there's no anxiety on stage because it's not the same on stage.
Yeah, it's like the more real you over there or in real life.
That is sometimes debatable.
Oh, okay.
It depends on which ex you ask, I would suppose. I don't. I'm kidding. I genuinely I don't know sometimes. Sometimes I'm more honest there. It depends on the thing also, right? Because it's just some things are easier to be honest about to a room full of strangers than to people you know.
It's the same thing as like I don't know, it's weird comparison, but it's the same thing as therapy. Like friends को कुछ चीज नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि लोग तुम्हारे जिंदगी में है वो लोग.
हाँ.
और थेरेपी
हाँ.
के साथ बैगेज नहीं है ना, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो.
Exactly. I completely agree. Therapist is best, dude. Always have it's like having a gym trainer or a toothbrush. You know, regular therapy
Yeah.
is like brushing your teeth. You do it because you have to do it. There's no. I think there's a Rick and Morty episode where they export that angle. It's like brushing.
नया सीजन नहीं देखा मैं.
I think no, it's like Pickle Rick वाले episode में. The therapist says कि brushing your teeth is not fun. And it's not something that you look forward to, but it's something you do every day. You shut up and you do it because you have to do it. It's just one of those things. That's how I treat therapy.
Yeah. Recently, one of my friends kind of like went through a breakup. Or I was like, of course, help with console her and everything. But फिर एक time पे आया मेरे को लगा कि अभी मेरा advice देना ज़्यादा बनता नहीं है. And तो मैं उसको बोला कि just try it out once. Like, I've never done it, but I've heard very good things about therapy.
I am the guy who generally sends people to therapy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I am the person in your life who will be like, maybe you should try. So I've sent a lot of people to therapy. Not like sent by my behavior, but sent because I felt like it would help them. And it does, because it has helped them, man. Like,
yeah, of course.
Every time I tell someone go talk to a therapist for like 3 months, they go for at least like, and then they end up going for whatever amount of time they feel like, and it helps. They're better off. You know,
but why did you try therapy? Break up?
I've had depression since I was a kid, and anxiety. So I was on medication for a while, and then that didn't work, and then I went off medication for a while, and then I was like, "ये भी नहीं तो कर रहा है कुछ भी." तो मैं बोला चलो at least like have a therapist so that you have like a you know, somebody to help you clear your thoughts. But I'm generally, at least my therapist and I like to think that I'm a self-aware person in that regard. I know I'm very much in touch with how I feel.
But again, it's like when you talk about yourself, you generally do get like I was not self-aware, but एक time आया इसने तो बोला था कि डायरी लिखना शुरू कर, और अब मैं लिखना शुरू करता हूँ तो अब मेरे को मेरे बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है.
Yeah. Because ज़्यादातर लोग वो करते ही नहीं है ना. वो लुई सीके का बेटा ना कि every single time you have a moment where you can truly be alone and with your own thoughts, you look at your phone and you text somebody. So like,
exactly,
it's that, dude. It's just that you just have to. Being alone is a superpower. It's like you have to. Really
everyone's trying to escape, but then they are with themselves.
Yeah, I mean, we are all like that. Yeah, but that's
हाँ.
cool. I think knowing it is the first step. Some people think that knowing it is the only step. Like they'll
No,
use
no,
the
no.
fact that they know it as an excuse to keep doing it. You know what I mean? Which I think is very stupid. I think you have to then like take the next step. And that's how I make friends also. I feel like all my friends in my life are people who are, in some sense, people who will always take.
The higher
Like I get
ground.
along best with people who will take this next step. Like, हाँ सब fucked है. Okay, what's the next step? Because other kind of people who wallow are very big drains of energy, I feel, in life.
Right. Also, people who are just stuck within themselves are closed-minded, narrow-minded people who are not
हाँ,
ambitious much.
वो उनको थोड़ा खोलना पड़ता है लोगों को. I like that also. I enjoy that about comedy. At least, you know, it's a good way, not in terms of doing stand-up, but like using it as a tool in conversation and all. It's a really good way to get past people's walls and reach out to them and really reach into them. You know, like you can joke about really intimate things that otherwise you would not be able to talk about in conversation.
Right, right. But
I
do
tend to
you
take
feel
it
that?
very far also sometimes. थोड़ा dark हो जाता है.
But do you feel the constant pressure of being funny? Like अभी comedian का tag लग गया है तो.
I don't give a fuck. है ही नहीं देने को. कहाँ से लाऊं fuck? दिखाऊं कमरा नहीं है, fuck कहीं नहीं है. Sorry.
ये
All out.
मैं तो comic, like I don't consider myself a comic. Like I just write थोड़ा सा comedy, but still अभी मेरे साथ ये कभी-कभी हुआ कि when I express to my friends today, नए friends, तो और अभी ग्रुप में ये हो जाता है कि कोई बंदा जोक मारता है और काफी अच्छा लाफ्टर मिला, तो वो भी काफी बोलता है कि अरे he's funnier than you. Like, अरे
Yeah,
तो उस पे
that's
कंपेयर
stupid.
कैसे कर सकता है यार?
Don't even, why does it even matter? Why does it, the only thing that matters, it's like cricket, okay? Like the only thing that matters is when you're batting, what are you doing?
Yeah, exactly.
Just that. बाकी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ऑडियंस हंस रहा है ना, बस हंसाते रहो.
You know, as we were talking about the first fan, but I remember कि like first time hate भी जब मिला रहेगा तभी तो थोड़ा सा लगा रहेगा ना.
हाँ, पर वो तो बहुत सालों से मिल रहा है यार. Like people were annoyed with me before people knew me also. Like, you know what I mean? Like it was not, it's never been new. हाँ dude, मेरे को एक बार एक MNS वाले ने थप्पड़ मारा था, पता है?
क्या?
2012 एंड में, 12 मिडिल में.
फिर what did you do?
कुछ नाही, मी बोला काय तुम्ही मारतात मला एवढा जोराने. मी पण मराठी माणूसच आहे. हे माझं स्टेज नेम आहे आकाश मेहता. माझं खरं नाव आकाश म्हात्रे आहे. And I got away with it because I can speak Marathi. But it was like intense. There have been moments. I remember 2015, this guy tried to complain to the police and there was a huge scene. चेन्नई में तो वो होटल के मैनेजर ने सब सॉर्ट कर दिया था एकदम बचा के. ऐसा सब मतलब हेट तो मिलता रहता है dude, कुछ नहीं है. You put out work, people will think it's bad. It's okay.
But it's fucked up, man, कि एक अच्छा सा joke है जो यहाँ पे लोग हंसे और people are taking offense in that and taking to police and shit.
Yeah, it's very frustrating. And nowadays they have a code word. They'll be like, they'll say, this is hurting my sentiments. I hope you know what I understand.
Yeah.
So, because that refers to the IPC ka, you know, hurting religious sentiments wala. So,
and now people are scared as well ना. अभी like Kenny उसने bit बना दिया कि why don't I do government jokes. Like politics थोड़ा लोग touch नहीं करते हैं, थोड़ा लोग religions touch ही नहीं करते हैं.
I don't, yeah, and it's a very, I can't not do that. Because I feel like वो मेरे reality का बहुत important part है, so I have to address it.
हाँ, होता है.
तो मैं करता हूँ. The idea is to keep doing it in a way where you are not hurting anyone's sentiments. It's also to be understood कि किसी का अगर sentiment hurt हो रहा है तो वो इसलिए नहीं कि वो stupid है. It's, people aren't stupid. I mean, people are stupid, but you know, nobody thinks that they are being a villain in their head.
Right.
So the hurt is real hurt. It's just coming from somebody you don't agree with. But what they are feeling is a real sense of hurt.
But
So
sometimes also I think
it.
you are coming to a comedy club. तुम हंसने आए हो, तो हंसो.
नहीं, because तू कौन है बहनचोद? You know, and also you are not as high a deity in their life as other people are. So you can't make fun of them.
Well, it's again another way of looking at it.
Cultural hai, dude, issue.
Hmm.
Culturally, you can't do anything about this. You have to slowly. I mean, ek pura, I was just talking about this yesterday in the open mic. Hopefully कोरोना से पूरे बूढ़े लोग मर जाएंगे तो शायद थोड़ा रिस्पाइट मिलेगा अपने देश को. वरना कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है. It's just gonna be another repetition of the same kind of people getting brought up again.
Right.
होगा धीरे धीरे break. Nothing can be changed by a person. I used to originally, like in the middle last few months, I was getting very agitated with the kind of things people were writing and saying about me online. And I did Akash and Friends with Karunesh, and I did an episode with Tanmay, and I did an episode with Niti Palta. And
Oh, nice.
having conversations with comedians in that regard is very nice, because you can honestly talk about what's on your mind about the audience and this and that, और ऐसा बिरादरी वाला कोई मिल जाता है. And अब मेरे को लगता है ना कि haters gonna hate, man. Like, just
Yeah, what can you do now?
Yeah, you just can't do anything. You just can't. Nothing you do can satisfy everybody.
Like the most frustrating which I felt this time is when Kevin Hart got kind of cancelled.
But I mean, Kevin Hart also fucked up in the sense that he just refused to talk about it instead of using the opportunity to talk about that issue out loud.
But again, I mean, I kind of also see his point, ना. पहले माफी मांग चुका है, अभी वापस मांगेगा तो लोग पीछे पड़ेंगे.
नहीं ना, लोग already पीछे पड़ गए. It's too late for that. And it's not about माफी मांगना, but it's about using the opportunity to talk about kids getting bullied.
Yeah, but he did ना. उसके बाद तो क्या हर टॉक शो पे गया और माफी मांगा.
वो तो करना ही पड़ा ना.
उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंट्री आया, but the Oscar chance gave him good money though. Like even when he didn't host the Oscars, बहुत सारे opportunities बढ़ गया और fame multiply हो गया उसका.
That's true, but I mean, you don't know if it's gonna play out that way when it's happening.
Yeah, 100%. You feel shitty at that time.
I've had I don't know whether it's fortune or misfortune, but I've seen a lot of people struggle up close. And I've tried to help however I can. But to see them go in through the ups and downs of the last 8-10 years of their career is a really humbling experience to anybody. To see people like just recover, and then the moment of being in it and being in controversy and being, and people tearing you apart on every medium possible is very hard, dude. Like, that's hard. No matter how much I don't give a fuck, I do. Like, once in 6 months, I care about YouTube comments. So, I mean, imagine.
Right. Like, first time, the recent one which was very frustrating was AIB going away.
I mean, AIB was like a whole plethora of issues that had happened there. I think.
Right.
So, yeah, that was fuck all.
I know, and I understand. उनके हाथ में कुछ था भी नहीं.
I would say more than AIB shutting down, what frustrated me was the fact that all the things they worked on were shelved. I think that was fucked up. That was really fucked up.
I messaged Tanmay Bhatt on this, and कि government का भी निकाला इन लोग ने Amazon ने, कि government आ रहा है, और उसके बाद सबका makers का नाम आया, ठीक है, famous makers and Zoya Akhtar and ABC, सबका नाम आ रहा है. Why isn't AIB or at least first draft in it? First draft is also a famous thing now.
तन्मय खंबा का नाम नहीं रखा है.
नहीं रखा है. And Khamba led the project.
Yeah, I know, but क्या करे? That is, see, I mean, as fuck all as it sounds, no, people are not really trying to be, people are trying to look, not to be. Okay, nobody cares about being funny or being, it's a lot of appearances in this industry. So, that people are gonna keep up appearances no matter what, and subdue information and push up, highlight information based on what helps them put up a certain appearance of a certain thing. That's branding 101. You can't be a brand and be honest. You just can't.
Right.
So yeah, it sucks. You gotta find a way around it. I personally also feel weird that way, because I feel like there is a distinct difference between Akash and Kuch Bhi Mehta.
Oh yeah. But how is it different? थोड़ा सा बोलो ना.
I mean, like, if you've seen my Instagram, like, I have 3 Instagram accounts. I have My Music Elevator, I have Not Kuch Bhi Mehta, and I have Kuch Bhi Mehta.
Okay, I've
so
seen
one is
two.
a music account, one is my photography account, and one is Kuch Bhi Mehta. So कुछ भी मत है is for all intents and purposes my work account.
Right.
When I'm a comedian. Otherwise in life I'm not.
Just a comic.
Yeah, and I don't want to do everything on one thing. I think it's quite stupid. Because जो जोक सुनने को आया है वो उसको गाना नहीं सुनने का है. उसको मैं क्यों उसके गले में मैं गाने डालूं? उसको गाना सुनने को आके सुनेगा गाना अलग से.
सही है, वो भी है.
So that's how I look at it. I just feel it's like you have to where I see my comedy going and where I see like I don't see myself as somebody who wants to do like I feel like my true role is to help people get their stuff out there just as much as it is to make stuff. So that's with the idea with Lasoon Live also, like to have a live management company that caters to comics needs specifically and just works with them to
build a
career. Just work on a career. Like just we sign people with 3-4 year horizons only. We don't sign anybody who's already made it.
Right.
It doesn't make sense to do that. It's not a money making endeavor as such.
But who inspires, like who's your favorite, not favorite, but who do you look up to in the comedy scene?
I look up to a lot of people, like in our scene or internationally?
International. Like यहाँ पे तो मेरे को पता है, यहाँ पे तो इतने सारे है भी नहीं ना.
हाँ. I look up to a lot of Indian comics for very specific things, in the sense that Kamra had a really smart thing that he did with Being Human that really helped him.
Yeah.
And help both of them grow mutually very well. I love that collaborative ability that Indian comedians seem to have that other people don't have as much. If you look at Tanmay's channel right now, that's a
it's
prime example of. Yeah, so I mean that way I am inspired by a lot of people. I love the fact that Kenny has a yearly planner, dude. Like merchandise. I am very proud of comics selling merchandise. I feel like that is the natural life cycle of an artist.
Also, I love his comics, like Ken and
exactly
Dog.
Like, he's slowly on his way to becoming a enterprise. Like
I
love that. I love seeing people level up almost, right? Like then. Because I've known Kenny since I don't know how many years it's been since I've known Kenny, and I know that Kenny's somebody who's never really tied himself down to like this.
Only one thing.
Yeah, and I know that like उसका सब पंख फैलते हुए दिखता है ना, तो मुझे बहुत सही लगता है.
Yeah. It's fun to see people on the cusp of growing.
Yeah, and to see them come up with newer things all the time, make try new things, seeing them fail at them and then deal with that failure and come back better. I mean, there are a lot of comics in this scene that you'll see that. And I mean, I guess I'm privileged because I'm in the scene, so I get a closer look at what's going on.
Yeah, right.
That I'm not particularly involved with the scene and it's going on, but like, इतना तो मेरे को पता रहता है कौन मेहनत कर रहा है, मेरे को उसमें बहुत इंटरेस्ट है.
सही, हाँ, right.
US में वगैरह में, I mean, yeah, I think I don't know, man. I've seen very few comics lately abroad that have made me be like, oh,
really?
Yeah, I haven't really had a chance to see a lot of those. Tom Papa का पिछला special ठीक था.
अभी नया है ना Tom Papa का कुछ?
You know what's happening with these Netflix specials? Tell me if you've noticed this. The first 2/3 is great, and then the last 1/3 is whatever.
Yeah, it is like. But again, it depends on the comic as well, right?
What comic has had a banger front, middle, end? Like who except for Dave has?
Dave Chappelle, Ricky Gervais. Tom Segura's new special is like very funny. I loved it.
Yeah, I should watch Tom. I haven't watched Tom Segura's special yet.
Tom Segura's new special is like very funny. Bert Kreischer's new special is also very funny.
Kiska?
Bert Kreischer.
No, I didn't like it that much. I thought
new one. I didn't like the previous one.
New one was okay. I felt. I've been watching. I watched Sopranos recently on Hotstar.
Fatte show.
And now my standards for all entertainment have been pushed up so high that.
Oh, you should watch Barry.
I finished Barry. मैंने चबा के उसको खा के मैंने उसको रग में मैंने absorb कर लिया वो show. क्या show है वो. The characters on that show are some of the best, most memorable characters. And you know कि Bill Hader ने सब character पहले बनाए और actor को करके दिखाए.
Kadak. Did you watch? I want to ask this. Did you watch the Seinfeld's new special? 20
Yes.
Hours to Kill.
Yes. क्या मस्त था. 30 साल पुराना जोक करके जाएगा साइनफेल्ड और हम लोग देखेंगे
Exactly.
हम सब
मेरा दिमाग फटा, 15 मिनट का
Yeah.
मटेरियल तो मैं सुना हुआ है.
Yeah, but that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of Seinfeld. Seinfeld is not doing this for anything else. Seinfeld is saying, ये ले, मैं करेगा भी पुराना जोक, ऑडियंस पागल भी होगा और मैं पैसा भी लेके जाएगा घर पे. Have fun.
But also, like, if you see the audience, उन लोग ने audience reactions दिखाए नहीं, क्योंकि audience उतना पागल नहीं हुआ जितना होता है.
पागल है क्या? मस्त, सब लोग को बहुत मजा आ गया. लोग
क्या बोल रहे हो?
साइनफेल्ड को देखने आ रहे हैं, उसके जोक को सुनने नहीं आ रहे.
Yeah, exactly. ये talking funny जो था उनका, उनमें
लोग
बोला था
जाकिर
वो.
भाई को देखने आते हैं. Okay, doesn't matter what Zakir bhai is doing.
Yeah.
That's God level celebrity, bro. तो वो उधर पहुंच गया. And I think that's the joke to me. Like I think for me that's the joke that Seinfeld is trying to crack now. कि तुम समझ रहे हो ये मैं आके करके चला जाएगा और ये होगा भी. That's the joke.
और तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
उसने making of the joke before the joke came out he explained how the joke was written.
Yeah, no. And one of the jokes is the first like opening episode of Seinfeld. मेरे को पता है वो करता है, बोलता है कि I am out right now.
I know.
यार वो तो यार मेरे को लगा कि क्या यार, और नेटफ्लिक्स कुछ बोल नहीं रहे. Like of course कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. Seinfeld है यार.
देखा ना तूने? Exactly. And I think that's the joke. That's the irony that he's trying to highlight.
Also, I was surprised with Dave Chappelle's bird revelation. Like वो तो बैठ के सिर्फ लोगों के साथ बात करके गया.
पर वो बहुत ही कड़क स्पेशल है वो.
Mind blowing था. But whenever I recommend whenever I recommend Dave Chappelle to someone, और कभी-कभी these guys don't find the connect with Dave Chappelle. Like क्योंकि कभी कोई bird revelation खोलता है तो फिर तो उनको
bird revelation से शुरू नहीं कर सकता ना तू.
Equanimity या फिर Sixth and Stone से शुरू कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, I would to say start from Killing Them Softly, no then.
Killing Them Softly मैंने भी बाद में देखा and I realized अच्छा हुआ मैंने बाद में देखा, क्योंकि अगर मैं स्टार्ट उससे करता तो मैं शायद उतना बड़ा फैन नहीं बनता.
हो सकता है.
क्योंकि एक तो पुराना कंटेंट के हो जाता है ना थोड़ा बहुत, की
बहुत फनी है dude.
बहुत ज्यादा
inappropriate है. You know how long it took me to teach this monkey to suck my dick without peeling it? Oh fuck, dude. I can never forget.
You know, I wanted to share this. I talked to Neil Brennan recently.
Oh.
Yeah.
How? For the podcast?
Yeah, I messaged him, like, I told some strings. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हुआ, बात पहुंचा उधर कि आओगे क्या पॉडकास्ट पे? उसने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया. In person.
That's hilarious. But that's not bad at all, dude. Neil Brennan is great if you can get him on. That's so superb.
You know, the first guy who agreed to come on the like, not agreed. He said he can. Like, abhi Recipe was supposed to do a show, na?
हाँ.
तभी I asked him, and he was like, partially yes. Time मिलता उसको तो he said he would have.
Yeah, he's generally sweet. Comics are generally sweet. If you're a comic, they will always agree.
Yeah, comics are nice.
Very rarely say no. Comics, at least as a comic, I've noticed this. कोई ना तो नहीं बोलता है. In fact, we were just talking about this in Tanmay ka podcast. कि like comedian बुलाया ना तो it will at least be better than a non-comedian doing the same thing for us.
Right.
So at least
comics are the nicest celebrities. उनके साथ अभी free ऐसा रह सकते. Like if I meet an actor or director, उनके साथ मैं podcast कर रहा हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा prepare करेगा. मैं पूरी रात जागूंगा. मैं सत्यांशु सर के podcast में पूरी रात जागा. I read
मतलब तू वो comedian के साथ भी कर सकता है, but comedian won't mind if you don't do it.
Like I did it with yours. No, I don't mean that. I did it with yours too. पूरा research करता हूँ. But फिर मेरे को पता है कि बात करने में riff off कर सकता. अगर मैं हल्का पढ़ रहा हूँ तो सामने वाला उठा लेगा.
हाँ, I mean it depends on what kind of podcast you're doing. I think for certain podcasts comedians are great. For podcasts where you have to lead the conversation, I mean it's.
It can well.
Yeah. I've been doing podcasts for a while, तो मेरे को तो ऐसा हर एक podcast में अलग एक I find it that there's a different way to host each one, right? Like when I do
you prepare for the podcast?
Yeah, for Akash and Friends I do to a great extent, unless some like I think one or two podcast episodes are such that I have not really researched, and often I'll be honest, my research is also thoda back and forth, like I'll get dates wrong and all a lot, which is okay because it's a conversation. But yeah, like I know the trajectory of the people. Like only I think one episode that's going to come out recently with Neeti was I really unaware of her life.
Acha.
And then that became the peg of the episode of like, fucking, I don't know about your life. We have to start here now. So, you know, so
I mean, people were very surprised. Like, not everyone knew Neeti Palta before she came on Comicstan. And
yeah,
now, like, after a special also, I'm not sure how, like, I haven't seen the special. But I've heard it's a good special. It's a very funny special.
yeah, it's a damn good special. Niti has great tight writing, dude. In fact, at the beginning of the podcast episode, she was like, I don't know any of this comedy technique and all. So then I had to prove to her that she knows comedy technique in the middle of the podcast. She's like, तू किसको चुतिया बना रही है, dude? तू क्या मतलब? मैं तेरे को देखा है कॉमेडी करते हुए. Clearly तेरे को आता है, तू क्या करे? ऐसे गांड से बात नहीं कर रही है तू. Which I'm telling you, dude, I've seen it. Like, I've seen people who are not comedians try and do comedy, and all of us have seen it, and it looks very bad. Okay.
Yes.
And when somebody it's the same as fucking ice skating, dude. Like, I go to ice skating, it will look very, very abhorrent, and it will look very bad. I will not be able to move. I'll fall on my face. But if a fucking ice skater ice skates, I would stare because, oh my god, that is beautiful what you're doing. Same with comedy. तो अगर कर रहा है तो ऐसा pretend नहीं करने का कि मेरे को कैसे है, पता है तेरे को.
ये special ये मैं नीति पाल्टा को भेजेगा and I'll say would you like to come on my podcast and answer to Akash Mehta.
मैंने already उसको ये सब चीजें मुंह पे बोल दी है 2-3 बार है.
नहीं, but it will be for me ना. I get
use my interview for all its purposes.
Okay, on that note, thank you so much for coming on this and doing this. It was a great chat.
Not at all, dude. My pleasure. और कहाँ निकल गए 2 घंटे पता भी नहीं चला.
हाँ, अब edit में मेरी फटेगी.
This is my favorite hobby on podcast. जाके इतना सारा बोल दो कि सामने वाला सोचे मैं अब क्या निकालूं. अब तक के सब एपिसोड तो 40 मिनट के थे. अभी आके ज्ञान दे के क्या भोसड़ी का. शर्म नहीं है सस्ते पाब्लो को. क्या कर रहा है ये यंग नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी. Sorry, not Nawazuddin. I think it's more of Nasruddin Shah.
Young Nasruddin Shah. सही है. Anyways, thank you so much for doing this. I'll
not at all, dude. It has been a pleasure. I hope I see you soon at an open mic telling jokes that are not Kenny's.
I'm 100% sure I'm coming. No, it's my.
Okay, man. Take care.
Okay, thank you. Bye.